One morning, on the island of Sodor, the Fat Controller was going to go to his engines in the shed as usual. Thomas, you have to take these trucks to the quarry to deliver the stones. But they're going to be delivered by, they got to be delivered by 12 o'clock. I'll deliver them if Thomas isn't well. Okay, said Thomas. You can do it if I'm not well. And then he's going out. Thomas had stopped at the signal. He saw a car. He said, "What's your name?" "My name is Goo Goo," said the car. "Do you want to have a race?" "Yes." "I'll just check with the Fat Controller." And at once the Fat Controller came. "Hello, Thomas. You can have a race. I'll watch." And so that he went up on top of the watching tower. 3, 2, 1, go. The car took a wrong turn and turned round. He thought he would have won, and he did. Thomas was far behind. The Fat Controller said, "The little car has won." And the little car said, "Na na na na." And then a lorry came along and knocked the tower over. And then the Fat Controller looked very confused and said Thomas had won. And Toby had to do the trucks because that Thomas needed a bit of water, and it was 11:59. So the car. Going to stop the lorry.